Hello, it is Sunday, January 8th, 2012 at 4:04 a.m. Central Standard Time. And the other day I made a couple videos near Houston, Texas. And the reason I made them was these flames or plumes that were coming out a short distance away at the same time that these beams were coming out. This one's from January 3rd and this one's from January 5th. And I'll give you a link to those two videos so you can go watch them. I found something on Google Earth that might, I don't know, it might solve the mystery, because I went in and had this, that's when I got this little question mark here, is I couldn't figure out what was causing those flames, and the closest thing I came up with was this little area here that, well, it doesn't look like much, so that probably wasn't it. But anyway, the other day I ended up coming back over here because I had remembered these little spots down here, and then these little lines that alternate alongside this. I assume this is a road, and I ended up following this road up here. It's a little ways up because see how it alternates, and these are green and these are red. Well, not as you get further up here. And then there was a fork in the road, and lo and behold, there's a ship or a barge, or I don't know what kind of barge that would be. And that reminded me of over here on my channel, Billy Hayes made this comment that over the last 5 months there have been 12 barges devised and launched into the Gulf from Eglin, Maine Air Force Base. 6 of these HARP initiators are still in the Gulf of Mexico. 3 of these barges are near the Emerald Coast and the BP platform in the Gulf. 3 are and have been placed near the Florida Strait near Fort Jefferson and Naples for the same project, Operation Cloud Release. The result of the 3 barges at the southern tip of Florida can be seen in your video 113011 Strange Green Strings at the tip of Florida. My classmates at Niceville and Fort Walton Beach, Florida have no idea where the other 6 strange radar barges have been moved to. And I'm wondering if possibly one of them was moved to here, because as you can see, this is not very far from the water, and appears to be about in the same place that these flames come out. This one looks to be closer to the water than this one, but yet they're about in line with each other. Here is a video that Billy also gave me a link to, and it's a lady on Facebook, and I asked her permission to play this video, and she hasn't responded, so I'll just give you the link because it's open to the public. It says they discovered this ship on September 20th off of Navarre Beach, where it had been sitting stationary. She reported that there were 4 smaller boats accompanying it. When a shrimper came close to the ship, one of the 4 smaller boats chased the shrimper off. I thought I might be able to get a closer view of the ship. It shows it being pulled by this tugboat, and there's these 2 gun light things, that would shoot something up, it looks like, on platforms. And then this is a radar kind of looking thing, or radar gun, because there's 2 little triangular things. And then here's a dish that rotates, because you can see in the video that it's not in the same position the whole time. And then there's even a little Doppler radar ball type thing. So I'll give you a link to that so you can get a closer look at it. And then also Billy Hayes gave me a link to, or he gave me a location, let's see, for where they were building these boats. Let's see, gotta go over here a little bit more. And it's right by Eglin Air Force Base, which is by Navarre Beach is right here. That's where the photo was taken from that I just showed you for that video. And right here, Alton Beach. Here's Eglin Air Force Base right here. And right here where this bayou is where you can see the barge being constructed. And he gave me a date on that, but I forgot to check that out. Let's see. This image is from 2/22/2007, and I assume that this is it here. So anyway, oh, one more thing. On College of DuPage earlier today, this loop goes from 8:30 to 11:30 UTC on January 7th. There's this one spot right in here that, well, let me orientate you first. Right over here is where Navarre Beach and Eglin Air Force Base is. Here's Eglin Air Force Base right here, where this radar is. So this is near there, and we've got this one spot that does not move. So let me zoom in so you can see. And that may be one of the barges, because you can see, well, is this, well, these aren't, well, yeah, they move off. Because watch, the hot spot here is red. I'll leave my mouse sitting there, and it never moves. So there's weather being generated from that spot. Whereas these move off. See, if I put my mouse there, they move off. This one doesn't. It stays right there. So anyway, that's it then. I'll put the links below the video. God bless you. Have a good day.